Do you want to learn how to create an effective channel trailer that captures new viewers and converts them into subscribers? If you do, this video is perfect for you. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Adam, and if you want to learn how to grow your small YouTube channel, click subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Tip number 1, keep your channel trailer short. It's best if you keep it under 1 minute, but 2 minutes should be the maximum length you make your channel trailer. You want to start off by introducing yourself and the kind of content you make. Remember, do this quickly, you don't want to waste time. Throughout your channel trailer, you should toss in edited clips of your videos so that your viewers know what kind of content you make on your channel and how you make it. You also want to use appropriate background music to keep your audience engaged in your video. You want it to suit your brand and tone of your videos. Speak directly to your audience as well. Look in the camera, look in the lens, and talk directly to your viewers. Let them know that you're talking to them. A bonus tip, if you edit your video and the clips and sync it all up to the background sound, it will make your video look a ton more professional. And that will definitely convert more viewers to subscribers, won't it? Make sure to include a subscribe call to action and tell your viewers to turn on the notification bell so they always come in on time and never miss a video. Make sure to include your upload schedule in your channel trailer as well so people know when to come back for new videos. If you don't have one, I definitely suggest you make one. Make sure the audio and the lighting is the best it can be. Remember, this is one of the first impressions new people have if they come on your channel. So you want everything to look awesome. Make the pinned comment a subscribe link to your channel, and make sure to use end cards to direct people off to other playlists on your channel to keep them watching your content. Now, next, make sure to set the channel trailer as the featured video on your channel for new people to see when they first land on your channel. So that's the main point of a channel trailer, right? Are you currently using a channel trailer? Let me know in the comments below. I know this has been a really quick video because there's not a lot of information to give you about channel trailers, but if you click the card above, I have a whole playlist that's going to give you tips on how to grow your YouTube channel in 2018 filled with awesome videos. Link up in the cards, go click it, you don't want to miss it. If this video has helped you and you want to continue attacking the struggles you face on YouTube, click subscribe by hitting the circle over there, and click one of the videos below to continue learning about YouTube and the ways you can grow your channel. Once again, thank you for watching, have an awesome day.